This year, CapCut doubled its annual price. Midjourney still charges you $30 a month to make an image. And Wispr Flow wants $15 a month just to let you talk instead of type. Every one of these companies is betting you'll keep paying. Here's the bet they lost. Every single tool I just named has a free twin sitting on GitHub, not some sketchy beta. Production grade, tens of thousands of stars, running on real creators' machines right now. They just never went viral. By the end of this video, that counter in the corner passes $100 a month. Every dollar of it goes back into your pocket. 5 repos, ranked by the size of the bill each one kills. For everyone, you get 3 things: the exact price you stop paying, what you honestly give up, and a one-line rule for whether you should actually switch. And stick around for number 1. The $30 a month AI art studio that runs free on your own machine. Oh, and one more thing. This voice you're listening to, it's on the list too. Let's zero some bills. Number 5, Wispr Flow. $15 a month to dictate instead of type. Handy. Until you realize every word you speak goes up to their cloud first. The free twin is VoiceInk. Open source, built in Swift, and it runs entirely on your Mac. It transcribes your voice on device in milliseconds, cleans up the ums with a local model, and switches settings depending on which app you're in. Nothing ever leaves your laptop. Full disclosure, I dictated this whole script with it. Free twin, 0 subscription. The catch: it's Apple Silicon only, and you'll poke at settings once to get it dialed in. The rule: on a Mac and you dictate every day, switch tonight. On Windows, or you need a phone app, Wispr still earns its 15. Number 4, CapCut Pro, $20 a month. And the annual plan quietly jumped from about $77 to $180 this year. Nobody announced it. The invoice just changed. The free twin is OpenCut. The repo literally calls itself the open source CapCut. 72,000 stars in about a year. One of the fastest growing editors on GitHub. Timeline editing on web, desktop, and mobile, and your footage never leaves your machine. The catch: it's young. The effects and template library is still thin. The rule: talking head cuts, captions, straight edits, switch today. Living on trend templates every week, stay for now. And look at the counter. $35 a month already back in your pocket. Number 3, and yeah, this is the one, ElevenLabs. $22 a month for the creator plan, and the meter is always running. The free twin is Chatterbox. And here's the kicker: it was open sourced by Resemble AAI, an actual commercial voice company that gave its own model away. 25,000 stars. In blind listening tests, people picked it over ElevenLabs 65% of the time. Clone a voice from a few seconds of audio, generate unlimited narration on your own GPU, even tune the emotion. Nothing metered, ever. This whole video? That's Chatterbox. You've been listening to the free twin for 2 minutes and you couldn't tell. The catch: you'll want a decent graphics card, and ElevenLabs' ready-made voice library is still bigger. The rule: narrating your own content in 1 or 2 voices? Switch. Pumping out client work in 20 languages? The subscription still wins. Number 2, Riverside. $24 a month to record yourself in high quality, and the good stuff sits behind the paid tier. The free twin is OBS Studio. 71,000 stars, and it's been the backbone of streaming and recording for a decade. Record your screen, your camera, or both, locally, at whatever quality your machine can push. No cloud limit, no watermark, no monthly fee. The catch: the first setup screen looks like a cockpit. 20 minutes, and it's yours forever. The rule: recording talking heads, tutorials, or podcast solo? Switch. Need remote guests with their own clean tracks? That's the one case Riverside keeps. Quick one: if the counter's already paid for this video, the subscribe button is free, and it's the only thing that tells the algorithm to show you the next test. Number 1, Midjourney, $30 a month, and even then your fast hours are capped and your images live on their servers. The free twin is ComfyUI, 130,000 stars. One of the biggest AI projects on GitHub, period. It runs Stable Diffusion and every open image model as a visual node graph on your own machine. Unlimited generations, full control, and your work never leaves your drive. The catch: the node canvas has a real learning curve, and you need a GPU. The rule: making thumbnails, concept art, or B-roll at volume. Switch and stop counting credits. Need the absolute latest look with zero setup? Midjourney's still the easy button, and the counter just crossed $111 a month. That's over $1,300 a year, back in your pocket. Now the part these videos always skip. Free isn't actually free. You pay in time. Setup, updates, the occasional Saturday debugging something that used to be someone else's job. So here's when you should just pay. When the tool runs your business and downtime costs more than the subscription, or when your time is worth more than the hours you'd spend maintaining it. A $20 app that saves you 5 hours a month is the cheapest employee you'll ever hire. The goal was never $0 on principle. The goal is knowing every line on your statement is there because you chose it, not because you forgot to cancel. So, your move tonight. Pick one. Just the bill that stung the most when I named it. Install its twin, run them side by side for a week, then cancel with the receipts. Tell me in the comments which subscription still owns you. That's the next episode. And subscribe, because the free tools that beat the paid ones don't get shown to you unless you do. 5 repos. $111 a month. The paid version is now the convenience option, not the only option.